Mama County, they could reach out to the youth, you reach out to the people living with disability, vulnerable groups. So today, I'm very excited about the Kenya Film Commission and Kenya Film School for giving our students skills. Skills are very helpful. If you have no skills, even in communication, if you don't have any communication skill, you will miss a lot because information is power. You will know nothing. Now with this, our latest world, technology is given number one priority. So I've prioritized this so that when we have this engagement, they've learned so many things. Even when you invest in social capital, it is when they make friends. Tomorrow or another day, you will find someone calling each of the students maybe they were schooling with. They socialize, they share their problems. There is much that we can engage our youths and make them to be better people in our society. Met any group and you see that the group is very vibrant, the group is ready to learn. When I was talking to the teachers, they told me that this is the most active class that they've met. I didn't want to take that as just a light talk. I've decided to take the 200 learners. We start officially our Kisii Sweethearts self-help group circle so that we see, apart from filming, what else they can do with the small initiatives that will come from national government affirmative action, so that they can either start businesses or if not businesses, they can invest their money. So they are the best group. They come from different constituencies. Kisii County has 9. So they will be our representatives in reaching out to the entire Kisii County so that we can have a big number of these self-help group.
Known as boss lead. I'm a boss lady. I'm a business lady selling maize, darajambili and enyochwa. I'm a blogger and I'm a movie TV, also as a director and as a camera woman. I can say I came here just to study about filmmaking, being a producer and script writing. And for sure I can testify I've gained a lot, because if I were to go to school, I could have paid a lot of money, than 8,000 and a film commission and film school. But due through our women led, Madam Donya, she has empowered us, and now we have skills that we can go outside there and teach others and more films and more producers and producer good jobs. To me, I can say guys who are outside there, when any chance comes across, just try to be in that chance. You're gonna gain a lot. As for me, I've gained a lot. And thank you.
Sana kwa Mama County amehakikisha kwamba tumepata haya mafunzo. I'm from Nyaribani Masako na ninafurahia sana kwa kuzuri mama anafanya. Hatutaendelea kusikiza maneno from the other side, but tutaendelea kumshika mkono because amesaidia watu wengi from different constituencies within Kisii County. Hii ndio maendeleo ambayo Wakenya tunataka. Otherwise mambo mengine sitaki. Mama County umetusaidia sana na tunashukuru. Kenya Film Production tunawashukuru kwa kuungana na ngavu kwa kutuletea program. Tunashukuru sana Mama County. Asante. Hii program nilisoma about film production na saizi niko very perfect. Hakuna kitu nitakuja kusema. There is no need to say I'm jobless because kuna other sub groups naweza jiengage. Mama County, kitu ambayo nitakuomba, hii extension ya hii program tumeisoma. It was very short. At least unahitaji another moment we extend kidogo tuweze kulearn every sector, at least tujibenefit na tuendelee na tunakurudishia Mama County. Asante.
We were educating on computer. We went to Nyamawa. We did mentorship. What can make us not to reach so many people or to have a replica of these activities is the small amount that is being allocated in the office of the woman rep. If we had like the 13 billion that the government has, my friend, we will train even